Good morning, pupils. Welcome to class. Hope we are staying safe and we are good. All right, please take today's topic serious. Get your notes, copy them, and follow the class attentively. Today, we are going to be looking at magnetism. We're going to be looking at the types of magnetism, magnet. We're going to be looking at how magnet is being formed. So, listen attentively. Magnetism is a force that can attract. What is attract? Pull closer. When you pull closer, or repel, push away objects that a magnetic material like iron inside of them. Have you tried? I know most of us play a lot with magnets. You try using a magnet to pull a nail, try using a magnet to pull a pin. Yes, magnet attracts magnetic materials or objects. Magnetism can be made by a permanent magnet or by electricity in a wire. This is called electromagnet. Electromagnet is magnetism in electricity of a wire. Magnets are solid objects that attract iron or steel. You should be aware of what magnets are. They are solid objects that attract iron or steel. When magnets are put near magnetic objects, the magnet and the object are pulled towards each other. That is, they come towards each other. It's just as if they are close. So when you put them together, they come towards each other. They pull towards each other, and this is called magnetic attraction. Magnets can also repel, that is, push away other magnets. Most objects that are attracted to magnets have iron in them. That is something you should note. Most objects that are attracted to magnets have iron in them. Magnetic field. What is magnetic field? Magnets have an unseen area around it. There's an area where if you put a magnet and an iron, it will come together or it will magnet. That area is called the magnetic field. Magnetic objects inside this unseen field are attracted to the magnets. Magnetic field outside the magnetic field are not attracted to the magnet. For instance, you go on a ground and pour water, just a drop of water, and it expands. The level it expands to and stop, that is the field, okay? So that is what we mean by magnetic field. That's what we mean by magnetic field when you talk about magnet. So the area which iron can attract to a magnet is the magnetic field. Magnetic pole. Magnet has two poles, two magnetic poles. The pole at the region where the magnets are strongest. You have the south pole and the north pole. Now take note, no matter how you break a magnet, there is always a south pole and a north pole. Okay? Magnetic force. The force that a magnet exerts on a certain material is called magnetic force. Like electric force, magnetic force is exerted over a distance and include force of attraction and repulsion. So the forces that a magnet the forces that a magnet exhibit is force of what? Attraction and repulsion. Either it attracts an ion or it repels other magnets. North pole and south pole of two magnets attract each other. The north pole and the south pole, that means the opposite poles attract, while the north pole and north pole or south pole and south pole repels. So you cannot have north pole and north pole attract. No, the poles that attract are the south pole and the north pole of different magnets. Types of magnet. There are three types of magnet. We have the temporary magnet, the permanent magnet, and the electromagnet. What are the temporary magnet? The temporary magnet become magnetized in the presence of magnetic field. They lose their magnetism gradually when the magnetic field is removed. Permanent magnet do not easily lose their what? Magnetism. Then electromagnet. This is created by running electric current through a coil. Okay, so its electromagnet has to do with what? Electricity. Uses of magnets. We have come across magnet in so many places. It's in our computers, it's inside most of our appliances we use at home, it's inside some of our medical industries. And the size of a magnet can be small and it can be very large. Okay, I know of the one of radio because I used it to play when I was a kid. It's very small. Okay, so some magnets uses are: one, magnets are used inside a generator to transform mechanical energy to electrical energy. They are used inside the word generator to transform mechanical energy to electrical energy. Magnets are also used inside TVs, sound speakers and radios. The small coil of wire and a magnet inside a speaker is what transforms the electronic signal to sound vibration. So magnet has a role to play in what? Sound vibration that we hear from the radio, from the speaker and from the TV. 3. Magnets can help collect all the nails which are scattered on the ground after a repair work. So you can use a magnet to do or collect all the nails. I know tailors also use magnets because they use it to collect all the pins and the needles so that everywhere won't be what? Littered. Magnets are used in filtering machines which separate metallic ores from crushed rocks. And lastly, electrical charge magnets can help cranes to move large pieces of metal. Now that brings us to the end of the class, and I hope that we have learned what magnetism is, magnetic field, magnet itself, magnetic force, and the uses of magnet in our everyday life. So, hope you enjoyed the class and see you some other time.